Hi guys, today I want to answer a question pertaining to JJ Act, and the question is this. The questioner primarily asking is about observation home and place of safety. This child who is of 15 plus years has committed a heinous crime when he was 15 plus years, and now he's 16 plus years and he's apprehended. Should he be lodged in observation home or place of safety? Before I answer this question specifically, I want to give a little broader picture. Under the JJ Act, there are 7 different kinds of homes which are collectively called as childcare institutes. 3 for children in need of care and protection, and 3 for the children in conflict with the law. So for the children in conflict with the law, there are homes like observation home, special home, and place of safety. And for the children in need of care and protection, there's a children's home, open shelter, and specialized adoption agency. So the seventh facility is called as fit facility that can be used for either of them. So now we're not going to talk about the facilities meant for children in need of care and protection nor the fit facility, but we will only be talking about the other 3 facilities that are observation home, special home, and place of safety, so that the questioner would have a much better understanding of what the issue here is. Observation home is a place that is to keep children that have committed crimes and apprehended or under the process of prosecution. So the process is still going on. Remember, any child who commits a crime has 2 steps to go through. One is the step of inquiry and prosecution. Second one is punishment. So that inquiry stage, child is not being proved guilty yet, is not convicted yet. Remember, under our constitution, we are innocent until proven guilty. So while the process is going on, the child will be kept at a place called observation home. And once the verdict is given, if the child is convicted, either he can be sent to a special home or he can be sent to place of safety. So you may wonder, who goes to special home and who goes to place of safety? The children who are below the age of 16 and committed any crime other than heinous crimes will be sent to special home. But the children that are between 16 and 18 years of age will be sent to place of safety. Even those individuals that have committed heinous crimes between the 16 and 18 years of age, but they were apprehended at a later age, will also be lodged in place of safety only. So if a child who is between 16 and 18 years of age and committed a heinous crime, even during the inquiry time can be placed in place of safety. If a child is below the 16 years of age, like this individual is asking me a question about, and if he has committed heinous crime, he can be placed in special home. But if there are some behavioral issues, if there are some safety issues, JJB can make a decision to transfer such children from special home to place of safety. Now, having said all this, I have one thing to state. In observation home, in special home, and in place of safety, there will be categories in these facilities based on certain factors such as age, gender, physical and mental maturity, nature of the crime they have committed. Children can be segregated into different parts. So that's all the information I have for you folks. If you like this video, please give me a like, leave me a comment, share it. Most importantly, don't forget to write me your questions in the comment section, and I would love to answer them for you. Till we meet again, goodbye.